Hi, you're watching The Savera. This is Amarpal Singh before you. Today, eminent industrialists of Ludhiana, they have gathered here to support the startups and they are going to bring an event, Startup Samagam. So we are having with us a renowned industrialist, Sanjeev Pava, MD, Relson India Limited. Sir, what do you want to say about this Startup Samagam?
So Startup Samagam is an event organized by the Ludhiana Angels Network. This was Ludhiana Angels Network was set up last year. We was set up with the objective of fostering a startup community in Ludhiana and also other cities, Jalandhar, Amritsar, within Punjab, and provide a platform to budding entrepreneurs where they can find access to capital by connecting them to the investors and providing them hand holding in terms of management expertise, marketing expertise, and also providing them all the inputs that they need to create an organization and grow the organization.
What kind of gap you witnessed or what difference you witnessed in the market that you came up with this initiative?
So I think Ludhiana already has a culture of entrepreneurship. First of all, lot of as I was just speaking, that lot of entrepreneurs who are now national and international fame have their seeds, have their roots in Ludhiana. So we can proudly, as Ludhiana can be proud that Ludhiana has already fostered a lot of startups, lot of industries in manufacturing primarily. And this platform is to build on what already exists and to make it more professional, to make it more structured, whereby the entrepreneurs and the investors and the policy makers and even industrialists who are willing to provide expertise can all connect together and make Ludhiana a hotbed of new startups.
For past many years, many people they are coming up with new ideas, with new startups, but they are not that successful. What kind of challenges you see that they are facing?
So, see, startup itself, obviously, there is a lot of risk connected with startups, right? It is not that all startups, will flourish. That is the way the startup community is. Some startups will grow very much, some will be medium, some will not grow. But nevertheless, I think the startups that grow are able to conceive the idea. Basically, startup is an idea. If you are conceiving the idea rightly, correctly, reading the market, you are able to get that vision of seeing, having a crystal ball in your hand to see where the markets will head, what kind of requirements will come. And then, of course, if you are able to execute those ideas properly, then for sure, success will come, because India, anyway, it's a growing economy and there is a lot of room for people to come.
How you see the idea that you choose the idea to support further?
See, ideas supporting basically Ludhiana Angel Network role is to connect people to the idea makers. We itself create an environment rather than LAN itself. It's for the individual investors, to see which startup they want to support, because somebody is putting in his or her money into that startup. So naturally, it's eventually the risk has to be borne by the investor himself. Our role is to make sure that the startup and the investor get on one platform, and what we provide input in terms of hand holding that startup by providing access or by connecting them to people who don't only have capital but also can give their expertise, can share their market knowledge, can share their network connections, can share their knowledge of running businesses, can also share their knowledge of dealing with the government and dealing with the compliances.
LAN is focusing on which kind of startups, manufacturing or who are into services?
See, we are as of now. I mean, we don't have any such thing that we have to focus on a particular, sector. But Ludhiana, by the very nature of it, because we have been born from a manufacturing background, so mostly I think manufacturing is one area where we think is our strength because of being situated in Ludhiana. So most of the startups that we have seen, even the last time, lot of the startups were in manufacturing. In fact, on the 12th of April, lot of the startups will be showcasing their products, especially in manufacturing. They will come and showcase their products.
So what is the long-term vision you see for this program?
Hopefully to create more and more entrepreneurs who grow and who become more and more unicorns, right? I mean, unicorns is of course there, but even small, medium entrepreneurs who are able to come and make the economy of this area stronger and motivate youngsters to take up entrepreneurship as a career option.
And at last, what is your message to the young entrepreneurs or the budding entrepreneurs, you can say?
I would say that startup, just start up. Think of making a startup as a career option. It may seem tough, it appears tough, but your life is easier because LAN is here to where you can come, see, meet people, connect with people, and also get the inputs, and then you can utilize your energy to create something that you own and run.
Thank you so much. Thank you. So he was Sanjeev Pava, MD Relson India Limited. So he is among those industrialists who is part of this initiative LAN, and they are going to organize a massive event, Startup Samagam, on April 12th in Ludhiana, where they will give a platform to startups to come and pitch their ideas, and they will offer their support to them. So you're watching The Savera. Stay tuned to us. Follow us both on Facebook and YouTube, and also download our mobile application. Amarpal Singh with cameraman Manoj Sidhu.